Welcome to a glimpse into the future, where cities don't just live and breathe, they think. From AI-powered traffic lights to climate-controlled skyscrapers, the rise of futuristic smart cities isn't some far-off dream. It's already happening. But are these ultra-modern urban jungles really the answer to our future, or just playgrounds for the wealthy? Let's dive into the world of intelligent infrastructure, luxury tech, and cities that practically run themselves. We're not talking about your average city with a couple of Wi-Fi spots and electric buses. No, we're talking about entire metropolises built from scratch with one goal in mind: efficiency, sustainability, and seamless living. Think the Jetsons meets Silicon Valley, only real. Let's start with one of the biggest examples, NEOM in Saudi Arabia. This isn't just a smart city, it's a $500 billion mega project funded by the Saudi government. That's right, $500 billion. The crown jewel of NEOM is The Line, a 170-kilometer linear city that's only 200 meters wide, but rises 500 meters into the sky, all while housing up to 9 million people. There are no cars, no streets, and no emissions. Everything, transportation, healthcare, shopping, workspaces, exists vertically in layered spaces. You want to go from one end to another? An ultra-high-speed train gets you there in just 20 minutes. That's not all. NEOM is powered entirely by renewable energy: wind, solar, and even hydrogen. The goal? Zero carbon footprint, maximum efficiency. Homes will come with built-in AI systems that learn your routine, adjusting temperature, lighting, and even your morning playlist. You'll wake up with your coffee already brewed by your smart kitchen and your ride to work, a self-driving pod, waiting at your door. But Saudi Arabia isn't alone in this game. Let's hop over to Singapore, arguably the world's smartest city right now. With a population of just over 5 million, it's packed with innovation. The government uses over 80,000 sensors across the city to monitor everything from temperature and air quality to crowd density and noise pollution. There's even a central system that analyzes all this data to respond in real time, adjusting streetlights, redirecting traffic, or alerting services when a trash bin needs emptying. Yep, trash bins that call for help. Welcome to the future. Singaporeans also live in what's called smart homes, apartments designed with automated lighting, motion sensors, voice-activated assistants, and even refrigerators that remind you when your milk's expired. And the cost? Well, a standard 3-room smart HDB flat will set you back around $300,000 to $400,000 US. But with government grants and subsidies, citizens can own them affordably. That's the beauty of integrating tech and policy. Now let's head west to Toronto, Canada, where Alphabet Inc., yes, Google's parent company, once launched a plan to build Sidewalk Toronto. This urban utopia was designed to be a data-driven city with modular buildings, streets that melt snow using heated surfaces, and autonomous vehicles only. The goal was to reimagine city life through data collection and artificial intelligence. While the project hit pause due to privacy concerns, it sparked global debate. Should we trade our data for convenience? Because make no mistake, these smart cities collect everything: movement patterns, energy use, purchasing habits. It's the price of personalization. Meanwhile, Tokyo is taking things to a whole new level with its Woven City, a project by Toyota. Yup, the car company. Built at the base of Mount Fuji, Woven City will house around 2,000 residents, including researchers and their families, in a living lab where every product, building, and system is connected through AI and robotics. Imagine robots delivering groceries to your door or smart toilets, analyzing your health through waste samples. Yeah, it's that advanced. The city will be fully powered by hydrogen fuel cells, and streets are designed specifically for self-driving vehicles, pedestrians, and delivery drones. It's not just sustainable, it's designed to evolve. Think of it as a city with software updates, like your phone. If something needs to change, they just patch it in. Now pause for a moment. If you're loving this futuristic journey and want to see more mind-blowing innovations from around the world, make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. We drop new videos every week that explore the world's wildest tech, ideas, and breakthroughs. Don't miss out. Back to our tour. Ever heard of Masdar City in the UAE? This one's interesting because it was designed over a decade ago to be the world's most sustainable eco-city. While the original plan didn't fully pan out, what has been built is still impressive. The city is solar-powered, cooled by wind towers and car-free in many areas. Instead, residents use autonomous, personal rapid transit pods that silently glide beneath the city like some kind of underground monorail from the future. Homes and buildings are designed to maximize shade and airflow, reducing the need for air conditioning in the scorching desert heat. And the kicker? Even the construction materials are sustainable, from low-carbon cement to aluminum that can be recycled endlessly. Let's talk luxury for a second. Because smart cities aren't just about being green and efficient, they're also about living well. In places like Songdo, South Korea, a fully planned smart city near Seoul, residents can enjoy centralized building management systems that let them control everything in their homes from their smartphones. Want your bath at exactly 37 degrees Celsius when you get home? Done. Want your fridge to order groceries automatically? No problem. This level of comfort comes at a cost. An apartment in Songdo's high-tech complexes can go for upwards of $1 million. And that's not including the luxury amenities like private cinemas, AI-driven security systems, and even delivery robots that bring your food from the lobby to your door. Convenience and luxury are practically merged into one. But here's the real game changer. Smart cities are not just for the rich. In Barcelona, for example, the city government has implemented smart technologies that benefit everyone. Sensors monitor water usage in parks, saving the city over 500,000 euros annually, while smart streetlights dim when no one's around, cutting energy bills by nearly 30%. Public Wi-Fi is everywhere, and residents can access real-time bus schedules through an app that syncs with traffic conditions. It's all about making life smoother, not necessarily more expensive. Even in India, the Smart Cities mission has launched over 100 city projects aiming to improve urban life through digital infrastructure, smart water meters, traffic systems, and better waste management. While some areas are still developing, the ambition is huge and backed by billions in funding. Let's not forget about Tallinn, the capital of Estonia, a digital paradise where you can vote, pay taxes, get prescriptions, and even start a business entirely online. All public services are accessible digitally, and their national ID system ties everything together. Plus, the city offers free public transport for residents. Zero fare, zero friction. Now, imagine living in a place where your garbage is sucked away through underground vacuum tubes, your walls double as interactive digital surfaces, and your commute is done by flying taxis. Sounds wild? Not anymore. In Dubai, companies are actively testing air taxis, and trials for vertical takeoff and landing drones are already in motion. You might just step out of your apartment in 2030 and hail an Uber in the sky. And let's talk cost again, because luxury doesn't always mean unreachable. In places like China, where cities like Xiong'an New Area are being built with smart sensors, green energy, and facial recognition-based transit, the apartments are more affordable compared to major metropolises like Beijing or Shanghai. Smart doesn't always have to mean expensive, if it's done with scale and accessibility in mind. Of course, not everything is shiny. There are real concerns. Privacy is a huge one. All those sensors and data points can feel invasive. Critics argue that constant surveillance, no matter how smart, can easily turn dystopian. Others worry about tech failures or hacking. If an AI traffic system fails or is compromised, the entire city could grind to a halt. It's a fine line between convenience and control. Still, the potential is incredible. Imagine cities where power outages are predicted before they happen, where potholes are fixed automatically because drones scanned the road the night before, where emergency response teams are guided by real-time AI tracking, saving lives with better coordination. And the job market? Smart cities will need coders, data analysts, urban AI architects, drone operators, and digital ethicists. If you're wondering what career to chase in the next decade, building or managing smart city infrastructure might just be one of the best bets. Whether it's skyscrapers that clean the air or entire neighborhoods that power themselves, the race towards smarter, greener, and more luxurious cities is accelerating fast. And what's fascinating is that no two smart cities are alike. Each one reflects its culture, goals, and vision for the future. Some aim for sustainability, others for luxury, and some for total digital democracy. So what do you think? Would you live in a smart city where everything is automated, connected, and efficient, but your every move is tracked? Are we entering a golden age of urban living, or giving up too much for the sake of convenience? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.